Want to know how to search for files and folders in Cursor AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. The first things first, you can just simply open up Cursor AI, the application itself. So we have also created a video on how to download and install Cursor AI, so make sure to watch that. So once you have done that, you should be under this interface, and now once you're under this interface, on the top you should be seeing various navigation bar. So you can just simply select view right here. So once you're on a view, you can just simply select search right here, or just simply select Ctrl+Shift+M. Or on the leftmost side, you should be seeing this search icon right here. You can also select that. It is the same function. So it should open up your search bar. Now you can just simply search anything that you like. So if your files are too long and if your folders are too large, you can just simply select this and search accordingly. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you easily search in Cursor AI. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more similar videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.